Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use WhatsApp in your laptop or computer without QR code. To do that, perform a Google search for Game Loop and access the initial website listed or the first website. Then proceed to search for WhatsApp and access the specific page related to WhatsApp communications. So just click download. Although it should be noted that this is not the WhatsApp application, but rather a setup file. So simply save it, then install Game Loop. After you install Game Loop, choose your preferred language in WhatsApp, then click on the Continue button. Enter your mobile number and a verification code will be sent to you for entry. Then enter your verification code. And that's how to use WhatsApp in laptop or computer without QR code. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.